Due to the high voltage of the EV DC charging station, there will be many potential safety hazards. How to better solve the after-sales problems of DC charging stations and reduce operation and maintenance costs has become a matter of concern for charging pile companies. Why the after-sales problem of electric car EV charging plug deserves more attention. EV plugs are subject to wear and tear due to repeated use and rough handling by some EV owners. As each car owner uses the EV plug at different angles, it can be challenging to avoid such damage even with a durable EV plug. Over time, this wear and tear leads to after-sales problems with internal components, necessitating repairs or replacement of the charging equipment. A very good solution to this problem can be found in terminal quick change technology. The split design of the plug and EDC terminal allows for easy replacement of both parts, thanks to terminal quick change technology. This simplifies the process, reduces after-sales and operation costs, and helps to minimize downtime at charging stations. Operators require minimal expertise, with just a screw plug being needed to replace only the damaged part, leading to reduced maintenance costs while improving the overall reliability and efficiency of the EV charging system. What's more about this quick change EV plug Workersby uses ultrasonic welding technology to create a strong, permanent connection between wires and pins in the electric vehicle charging plug. This reduces the chance of failure and prevents slipping, minimizing downtime for EV owners and charging station operators while improving the overall user experience with the EV charging system. The Workersby Gen 2.0 EV plug boasts a compact design that conforms to the public's aesthetics and ergonomics. With a small cable outer diameter OD of just 24-30 millimeters, it is easy to handle and maneuver, making it an ideal choice for electric vehicle DC charging companies looking for an efficient and reliable product.